Hi! Throughout this course, you'll be hearing many different voices because here at CodeHS, we have a lot of people who want to help you learn Python. Let's start by taking a few minutes to go on a tour of the different modules in this course, the concepts you'll learn, and the programs you'll build. You'll start off by writing programs with Tracy the Turtle. You'll learn some fundamental elements of programming by writing programs that basically consist of commands that tell Tracy to move around the screen. Stringing these commands together in the right way will let Tracy draw some cool shapes and pictures. You'll even learn some basic control structures and how to allow user input to alter the commands Tracy follows, like in the happy face program shown here. In the next module, you'll start diving into console-based Python. Instead of writing commands to move Tracy around your screen, you'll be using commands to make simple, interactive, console-based programs. Then you'll learn how to put some of the concepts learned with Tracy to work in our console. You'll expand on the control structures we learned previously to write programs that solve big challenges in the most simple and succinct way. In the next few modules, you will learn more sophisticated ways of storing and manipulating information, in particular text. Then you'll use your knowledge to build the classic game of Hangman. So if you've ever been caught playing Hangman with your friends during class, now you can claim that you were actually working on your assignment. In the last module before the final project, you'll learn about something called Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP. OOP is a common programming paradigm out in the wild. As your programs grow and become more complicated, OOP will help you organize your code into smaller pieces. Finally, you'll complete a final project that puts all your skills to the test. You'll write a program that analyzes pieces of literature in a meaningful way. So in summary, we designed this course so the entry point is accessible to people who have never programmed before. And by the end, you'll be able to make some pretty cool programs that you'll want to show off to all your friends. Let's get started.